Hey all Bridgerton fans, mark your calendars for June 13, 2024. Season 3 Part 2 is almost here, and with it comes a whirlwind of romance, secrets, and potential scandals. Here is some juicy information to get you excited. The biggest question mark lies with Colin Bridgerton and Penelope Featherington. Part 1 ended with Colin's impulsive proposal. Will Penelope accept, knowing he has no clue she is Lady Whistledown? Will the truth come out? And if so, how will Colin react? Prepare to be swept away on a tidal wave of emotions. Lady Whistledown's identity remains a ticking time bomb. Part 2 could explore the fallout if her secret is revealed, not just for Penelope but for the entire social landscape of the town. Our favorite newlyweds are about to face a new challenge parenthood. Expect heartwarming moments alongside the inevitable adjustments and challenges that come with starting a family. Francisca Bridgerton, who was absent from most of part 1, is rumored to have a blossoming romance with a new character. This could be a refreshing subplot to watch. Part 1 hinted at a hidden past for Lady Danbury. Will Bridgerton Season 3 Part 2 delve deeper into this? Could it even connect to the ongoing drama with Violet Bridgerton? The town would not be the town without its gossip and intrigue. Expect plenty of social gatherings, scheming mothers, and witty exchanges. We might also see some resolutions for characters like Lord Featherington and Cressida Popper. Bridgerton Season 3 is a visually stunning continuation of the series, but some viewers felt Season 3 Part 1 lacked the spark of previous seasons. Part 2 promises exciting developments, but we will have to wait and see if it delivers. The true magic of Bridgerton lies in its unpredictable twists and turns. The excitement for Bridgerton Season 3 Part 2 is palpable, with the promise of passionate romance, shocking revelations, and deeper dive into the character development. It's sure to be a binge worthy experience. So grab some popcorn, settle in, and prepare to be surprised when Part 2 arrives on June 13th. So that's it for now. Be with us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.